Understanding Out-of-Memory Error, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting topic that you might come across if you're into computers or technology. We're going to talk about what out-of-memory error means and why it's important to understand, especially if you're learning English and have an interest in tech. So, stay tuned as we break this down into simple terms. An out-of-memory error occurs when a computer or a device does not have enough memory to perform a task or run a program. Think of memory as the space in your computer's brain where it keeps everything it needs to think about right now. If the brain gets too full, it can't take in anything new. That's what happens during an out-of-memory error. This can happen for a variety of reasons, such as too many programs running at once or a program requiring more space than what's available. Before we go further, let's understand two main types of memory in a computer. RAM, Random Access Memory. This is the memory used to store data that is being currently used or processed. It's fast but temporary. Storage, like a hard drive or SSD. This is where data is stored long-term, even when the computer is turned off. An out-of-memory error usually refers to RAM being full, not your long-term storage. Several reasons can cause an out-of-memory error. Running too many applications at once can fill up the RAM. A specific application with a memory leak. This means the application keeps using more memory and doesn't release it back even when it's done. Insufficient memory for the demands of the task or application. Understanding why it happens can help in troubleshooting and preventing future errors. Here are some common fixes. Close unnecessary programs to free up memory. Increase the RAM of your device, if possible. Restart your device to clear temporary files and free up RAM. Update or fix the application causing the memory leak. That's all for today's guide on understanding the out-of-memory error. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means and how to deal with it. Remember, it's all about managing the limited space in your computer's brain effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, happy learning!